Hello people, I wanted to show you how you can focus on active element when you work with outliner, because sometimes it is hard to navigate in outliner where specific object is located. For example, I have lots of objects and it would be hard to navigate. I know one command which will help you. I'm glad that I found this command because there's option which you can use when you use option active, but this hides the other elements, so you can only see selected elements, but you cannot see all of the objects. I will show you now. When you type outliner, you have to place your mouse cursor over outliner. I forgot to mention, you have to activate the dynamic context menu before you type this command, because this will not allow me to. You can still use this option search, but the dynamic context menu is useful when you want to search for commands inside in layout, for example. Okay, I will show you. So, outliner, show active. So we have this. This came up. You can even see parented objects. It showed up quickly. The same with this object. This is not parented, actually. You can see how fast I work by selecting the objects. Because I have thousands of objects in my scene, as you can see, it would be hard to navigate. I hope you like this video tutorial. See you guys.